Welcome. Today I'm going to introduce to you the UI5 Converter for the SAP EWMREV framework. First of all, what is the UI5 Converter? The UI5 Converter is a certified SAP add-on that generates a ready-to-use UI5 app from the EWMREV UI for all devices with one click and one display profile. And, as you will see, it only takes a few minutes. But why do we use the EWMRF as a UI5 app in the first place and not ITS Mobile? Well, using ITS Mobile, we usually need to define multiple display profiles for different devices. Otherwise, as you can see here, the application cannot be displayed accurately. With UI5, however, we no longer need to specify various display profiles and can still work with different devices within the EWMRF, whether as a desktop application, on a forklift terminal, or on a scanner. In addition, the app is state-of-the-art due to the SAP UI5 technology, and it offers a high user friendliness as well. After the generation, the EWMRF app can also be further customized, for example, using the Web IDE. I would now like to show you the UI5 Converter in action. Starting point for the generation of the UI5 app is the EWMRF in your SAP system. You can customize it using the SAP standard and your individual customer developments. To generate a UI5 app from it, we need to access the admin panel of the UI5 Converter via the Fiori Launchpad. In the Launchpad, we select the admin panel tile of the UI5 Converter group. Here, we select the Application Builder tile. To generate the app, we only need to enter 4 parameters. First, the display profile. Then, a service for the templates, and a package and a transport request for a transfer to another system. By clicking on Generate, we start the generation. This generation process only has to be done once, and thereafter only in case of later changes in the RF framework. Now the generation is complete, and we can view the finished app. The EWMRF app can either be integrated within the Fiori Launchpad or used as a standalone without the Launchpad. Here you can see the EWMRF as the converted UI5 app. It also reduces the response time from SAP to the mobile client significantly. Navigation works as usual, via the function keys or via the integrated Launchpad navigation. Even for messages in the footer. By means of the colored bar, you can check if there's a connection to the backend. If there's no connection, we can resubmit the request once the connection is working again. This way, we don't have to restart the data entry during the picking process. So let's take a closer look at the bin display of a storage bin for an example. In contrast to the standard RF, we can click directly on the table rows. You can also see that the screen elements are displayed in an optimized way. With this interface, the advantage of a responsive design also becomes clear. Without changing the display profile, we can accurately display the application on different devices, no matter if forklift terminal or scanner. The EWMRF as a UI5 app also offers the possibility to customize the theme. In the Fiori Launchpad, this can easily be specified via the user settings. Likewise, you can use your own theme in the standalone variant of the app without the Launchpad. This brings me to the end of my presentation. If you are interested, and/or still have questions about the UI5 converter, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your attention.